Hi boss, welcome back to Crypto Trader. We are going to do GBP NZD technical analysis today in this video. Although we have a clear uptrend in H4 time frame, but you see the current scenario is that the price is range bound for a long period of time here. We have a price rejection scenario to the top every time price enters into this resistance zone between 1.9217 and 1.9237, as well as we have a price rejection scenario to the bottom every time price enters into this support zone between 1.9145 and 1.9177. So in this situation, our trading options are: let the price break and close any of these two levels and wait for a pullback into the respective zone for a retest and possible double top or double bottom, and then open your position into the direction of the market after finding a good buying or selling reason. For the time being, there is no trade in GBP NZD currency pair, in my opinion. One thing very important to find daily trade is that we have to find out the most recent support and resistance levels or zones only, and forget about making mess of support and resistance zones on the chart. Try to keep your chart as simple, as neat and clean as possible. A good trader always tries to prepare his plans according to the market situation and does not try to move the market into his favor. He should be prepared for every possible opportunity. Read the chart carefully, find possible entry points, and trade when he gets enough evidences and confirmations of the price pattern in favor of his potential trade direction. Still, there is no guarantee that he is going to win his trades even after all these precautions, but it surely gives him an edge over the market and increases his winning odds. Therefore, this is my number one suggestion to all my viewers. You should trade systematically. Rules based trading always gives you an edge over the market. Well, you can do your own research and do not consider it a financial advice. Let me assure you one thing, nobody knows what is market going to do next. Being an experienced trader, we can just try to analyze the market conditions and create best trading opportunities out of it. Please hit that like and subscribe button to appreciate my efforts, and comment below if you may have any questions. Good luck. Happy trading.